Our professional experts work hard, focusing on simplifying the real estate, bringing the investors unique investment options that are much smarter, designed to ensure annual growth. We make new things and bigger achievements possible by employing cutting-edge technology. All our great efforts are the result of intricate planning. This is a strategy that helps to ensure complete customer satisfaction and earn their respect. We are Signature Global. Realty, reliability, responsibility. A look at some of our benchmark projects that have helped redefine the present and future trends in real estate. These projects have helped us establish ourselves as the most reliable name in real estate. We now bring a unique affordable housing project. Experience an all-natural way of life, where your family experiences happiness at its best. Discover a new life in the lap of nature. Live every moment beautifully. Choose a lifestyle in a true oasis. Presenting Orchard Avenue. Orchard Avenue awaits at a convenient location at Sector 93 Gurgaon, 5 minutes away from National Highway 8 and a proposed metro station, 10 minutes from New Delhi and 15 minutes away from the IGI airport. Witness the perfect lifestyle destination where a grand living awaits you. Own a home right in the lap of nature. Experience a true oasis amidst a concrete jungle. The easily accessible Orchard Avenue is right next to a congestion-free road. A hassle-free entry gives you a glimpse of the wonderful experience ahead. Very close to the entry is an equally spacious and convenient parking space designed to keep your vehicle safe. At the Orchard Avenue, state-of-the-art architecture comes together with the best of modern design. The beautiful lush green landscaping adds a touch of nature to the wonderful architecture, complementing it perfectly. The sprawling construction is an element that makes living here a truly pleasant experience for you and your family. Step out of the elevator and make a glorious entrance into your dream home. The first thing you come across is a comfortable, cozy, and lively living room with maximum space efficiency. The exquisite living room offers the perfect space to spend some quality time with the family. The spacious designed kitchen area makes it easy to move around and offers an increased utility. The master bedroom sports a unique look due to its very modern architecture and wonderful design elements. The contemporary elements add an edge to the large space, rendering it with a pleasantly private environment. The bathroom is designed to combine an ample space with modern fittings. The bathroom sports a unique design and modern architecture, making it a cozy space. The second bedroom is a perfect representation of a comfortable personal space. The study combines a cozy design with a spacious architecture. Get set to experience ideal retail spaces. Presenting Signum 93, a dream destination for shopaholics full of pleasant surprises. An international indulgent shopping experience awaits you. Witness a sprawling hypermarket where all your requirements are met properly. Sumptuous food and beverage options are a treat for the food lovers. The convenient banking solutions are present to serve you round the clock. The strategically designed retail spaces offer maximum brand exposure. The perfectly placed retail spaces offer an increased visibility for the brands. The The modern cutting-edge design ensures the best possible placement and an easy accessibility. The ideal location of the retail spaces is set to ensure a higher footfall. The rooftop houses a cafe to enjoy the perfect evening with friends or family. You are guaranteed to have a good time here. Come, own a home in an oasis where the perfect lifestyle for your entire family awaits, right in the lap of nature.